Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so June's Allure beauty box just arrived. Let's go ahead and see what we're going to have in here. So when you first open it up, there's a brochure right there with this gorgeous woman right there on the front. And there is a sneak peek to what's inside. I have a random lid, so let me put that on what it's supposed to go to. So let's start with this first. This is a flash finishing spray wax. I don't use anything like this for like hair products, so I always save these for you guys. So I'll go ahead and put this in my future giveaway pile, but let me see if I can get a little bit more information on it. So this is not the full size product. This one here is a 30 mil. The full size is like an 80 mil, I think it says, or 50 mil. And that is $42 that you can purchase from oribe.com. So you have a finishing wax spray, but that will go in my future giveaway pile. So there's the first item. Next we have is the eye serum masks. I've received these in bags before. I mean, they're just eye masks. I like to put them on and then put a sheet mask over. I'll even put a lip mask on as well, and then put my sheet mask over because it kind of just like holds everything together. But you do have one eye patch here, and it says for 2 masks are $16. So, I mean, there's 2 in here, but it's 1 set. So I'm not sure if it's saying like 2 sets or if this is really $16. So this is either 16 or it's 2 of these would be 16, one of the 2. Okay, so then the next thing that we have is, it says, I have no clue, Dongenbee, I'm not sure, $18.99. This, let me find. This says that it's a single essence. The 70 mil full size is $54.99. So we don't have values for any of the smaller products. They only put the full size, and this is definitely not a full size. But if you want to know what this looks like down inside, oh, it's like the top has a flat top. So I was like, oh, it's a different shaped bottle, but it's only a different shaped lid. The bottle is kind of still all round, but there's that. So you do have this little guy here for some kind of a single essence. Does it even have any instructions? Gift from the root. No, nothing is on here in English or on here, so I don't even know what to do with the product. There is that. So there's a third product. Aren't we supposed to have full-size products in here at some point? This is a full-size product. Shame on you, Allure. This is 30 mil, full size, $34. It's a clarifying clay mineral mask. So this product is more than the entire box, but I don't know, I'm kind of thrown off by that full-size product. Let's keep on going. So then the next product right here is from Skin & Co. I've actually used this before. It's a good cleansing cream. It's a whipped cleansing cream. This is a full-size product, and this is valued for $35. And this one says directions: apply the truffle therapy whipped cleansing cream gently on your skin and massage in a circular motion for 60 seconds. Wipe with a wet cloth or face sponge and rinse with lukewarm water. Ideal to gently remove makeup for all skin types. So there's that. And when you get cleansers, I normally never complain about them because I use them on a daily basis. So I do like getting cleansers. And again, this is a pretty good one. So I'm glad to see that in this box. And then the last item is down inside of here. What is this first? This is a set of brushes. So let me get this opened. It says vegan, cruelty free. And this is from Larucci. I'm not sure how you say that. Laruce. It's a 3-piece brush set, if I can get it opened. And this is valued for $84. Holy freaking moly. 3 brushes, $84. $4. Oh, you know what? The one brush that I use every single day for my my shadow in the middle that I use is this brand because it looks just like this, but it's a bigger brush. So I'm actually excited to get more from that brand because I really do enjoy the one brush that I do use. This one says a short shadow. So you have a short shadow here. It's a very small little brush. For $84 for these 3 brushes though, holy freaking moly. Are they like made with like gold fiber hairs or what the hell? This one's for concealer, which I don't use concealer. And then this one is an angled shading brush. So this month, their full-size products was these 3 small brushes, a whipped cleansing foam, and this guy. Then for the deluxe mini, you have a single essence flash form finishing spray wax, and then 1 eye patch. Eye mask. It's not an eye patch. Pirate, it's not a pirate. No. So they do have this that does go over more information on the different brushes, but it does say what they are on the actual brush. That is everything that came in this box. Again, that's that. I hope next month is better, let me tell you. This box, if you want a little bit more information, is $23 a month. You're supposed to get 6+ approved makeup and skincare picks delivered to your door with a $100 value or higher. We really don't know what the value is because they don't tell you what the full size versus the deluxe size is actually valued at when it's not a full size product. So we never really know what the true value is of these boxes, but it's $23 per box. And if you would like to check them out, I do have them linked down below. You can go ahead and follow that link and you can check them out. Normally the boxes I feel are a little bit better. They have been lately. Just this one just seems like a what the hell kind of a box, but that's my own kind of opinion. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's products inside? Do you get Allure? Would you like to for this box? Are you getting Allure and you're a little disappointed about this box? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.